All right, for your next camping trip, this one comes with a carrying case and also some boards. All right, we're gonna open it up so you guys can see it. So you got these locks in here in place, right? Just make sure you unlock them first, both sides, all right? And this is compact, if you guys can see. There's an actual suitcase, a case that you could carry as a bag, right? So once you open it up, completely lock them out, put them down. There's some locks that you gotta make sure you lock in here. You see that? Just push it straight back. Lock in place. Make sure it's locked in place. It's light enough to do this, so. Now we're not done completely out, right? So you do have zippers in here. All right. Now they do give you boards. These boards are along with it, right? You guys can see the boards. That's to give it more stabilization in there. If you have food, partials, or anything that you want to set up in here. Another one. There's no sliding, right? They're all about the same size. You have to just do it at an angle, pretty much. And 2 more for the last part of it. There we go. Now, I'll show you how much space you have in here. All right, so you got about 3 layers on one side, 3 layers on the other side. Stable enough to put in like food, some tools, cooking utensils, and so forth. Now, at the end of the day, because you don't want squirrels or bears or anything coming in, zip it up. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take it apart so you guys can see everything, how everything fits after. All right, so now that we stabilized it, this is strong enough to hold a couple of pounds in here, to be honest with you. So if you have a grill, a cooking grill, or maybe some little small, something not too heavy enough, something light, maybe a couple pounds. I'm gonna show you something heavy that I have. This is a hitch, big heavy hitch, and you know how heavy those things are. So I'm just demoing. See how heavy this thing could take the weight. Now it's not gonna take my weight of sitting down, all right, completely, but it's enough so you can have cooking utensils, some cooking stuff, plates, maybe use it as a table, camping ground. Doesn't take a lot of space at all. Beautiful, simple to set up, very light on the outside, compact, ready to go in a couple of minutes.